Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this question was from chapter Gravitation. Question is, four identical particles of mass m are kept at the four corners of a square. If the gravitational force exerted on one of the masses by the other masses is into bracket 2 root 2 plus 1 by 32 into gm square upon L square. The length of the side of the square is what? Options are 1, 2L, 2, 3L, 3, 4L, 4L by 2. Now see here, in this question, four identical particles each of mass m are placed at four corners of the square. And the gravitational force exerted on the one of the masses by other masses. So remaining other masses are remaining three masses. Exert the force on fourth one, that is this much. And now we have to find the length of the side of the square. Now see, first take one square and four particles at its four corners. Now here see, particle 1, 2, 3, 4 are at four corners of a square of side A. Here suppose the side of the square is A. Now if we consider the resultant force acting on particle number 1. So on particle number 1, force will be exerted by particle number 2, by particle number 3 and by particle number 4. Here the forces are gravitational forces, so attractive. So force on 1 by 2 and force on 1 by 4. Both will be equal in magnitude but are perpendicular to each other as shown in the figure. So here, due to these two, the resultant force is under root F12 square plus F14 square. And resultant of these two will be somewhere here in between these two, and third force in the direction from 1 to 3, that is F13. So here plus F13. Now substitute the values of these forces. So force on 1 by 2, that is gm square upon a square as per gm1 m2 upon r square. So F12, that is gm square upon a square and square of 8. Then similarly, F14, that is the same one, gm square upon a square, and here square of it, so square of this one. Plus, here distance between 1 and 3, that will be equal to root 2a because this one is the diagonal. Now, here gm square upon root 2a whole square, that is 2a square. Now from this, we can take gm square upon a square whole square common and then take it outside the square root. Then we will get gm square upon a square, and from this one also gm square upon a square we can take common. So resultantly we will get gm square upon a square here under root 2 plus here 1 by 2. Now this one is the resultant force acting on any one particle due to remaining particles. But here in question, the force given to you, that is 2 root 2 plus 1 by 32 gm square upon L square. So now compare these two forces. So as per given in the question, the resultant force 2 root 2 plus 1 by 32 gm square upon L square equal to gm square upon a square into root 2 plus 1 by 2. So here we will get 2 root 2 plus 1 by 32 gm square upon L square equal to gm square upon a square. Here take 2 as LCM, so 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. So gm square cancel, 2 root 2 plus 1, 2 root 2 plus 1 cancelled. These 2 will give you here 16. So we will get a square equal to 16L square, and therefore A equal to 4L. So as per given option, our answer will be 3. Clear बच्चों?